Children are still coming late, children? Okay. Let us continue, children. Good morning, all of you. Let us continue with the completion of this particular chapter. Okay, so that on Monday when we meet, we can start with our political parties. Is that clear? Okay. Write the heading, the sense of collective belonging. The sense of collective belonging. Write one question over there. How did people belonging to different communities, people belonging to different communities develop a sense of collective belonging. Sense of collective belonging. First point. Heading is the sense of collective belonging. Then a question is there. Those are coming late. Okay, first point, now you write it down. Heading is the sense of collective belonging. First point, this sense of collective belonging came through. This sense of collective belonging came through the experience of united struggle. The experience of united struggle. Soham, put on a video. United struggles. But there were also a variety. There were also, okay, Anshul Jain, heading is the sense of collective belonging. Mark in your book, keep the book in front of you so that afterward you may write. Leave 3-4 lines for that. How did people belonging to different communities develop a sense of collective belonging? How did people belonging to different communities develop a sense of collective belonging? Put a question mark. First point, this sense of collective belonging came through the experience of united struggle. But there were also a variety of cultural processes. There were also a variety of cultural processes to spread unity. Put a dash. Fiction, comma, folklore, comma, songs, popular prints, symbols, all played a part in the making of nationalism. All played a part in the making of nationalism. Full stop. Next point, the identity of the nation. The identity of the nation was symbolized as a figure or image or image, comma, visually associated as Bharat Mata, Bharat Mata, put a dash, first created by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Bankim, Bankim, Chandra, Chatt, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, Chattopadhyay. Please don't make any spelling mistake. Keep the books in front of you all. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, who also wrote Vande Mataram, single quotation marks, Vande Mataram, in 1870. Put a dash, as a hymn to motherland. Hymn, Hymn, hymn to motherland, which was included in his novel, Anand Mat. Anand Mat, included in his novel Anand Mat, comma, widely sung. Vedansh, what you do is you leave at least 12 to 15 lines and then you continue from here, from where we are saying. Anand Mat, widely sung during Swadeshi movement. During Swadeshi movement, full stop. Next point. Abanindranath Tagore. See the spelling from the book. ABA. Abanindranath Tagore. Abindranath Tagore, whatever. Please don't make any mistake as far as spellings are concerned. You're a big student. Abanindranath Tagore painted famous image of Bharat Mata. Famous image of Bharat Mata, or a dash, portrayed as, portrayed as an ascetic, 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 ascetic figure, comma, calm, calm, composed, divine, and spiritual. Calm, composed, divine, and spiritual. And spiritual, comma, or put a full stop, then you write in subsequent years, same point, Bharat Mata acquired many forms and circulated in popular prints full stop. Next point, ideas of nationalism also developed. Ideas of nationalism also developed Anushka, Yuvika, and one more who has joined just now. Anushka has not joined till now. Please leave one page. Anushka, those who have joined just now, Yuvika and all, why you all were late, I don't know. But what you'll do is you'll leave one page and then you'll continue from this point. Fourth point, ideas, leave one page and then you write. Okay, Yuvika, is it clear? Okay. Heading is the sense of collective belonging. Of that we are doing the fourth point. So you write from the fourth point after leaving one page. Okay. Ideas of nationalism also developed through Indian folklore. Through Indian folklore, put a dash, nationalist recorded folk tales sung, S-U-N-G, sung by bards, B-A-R-D-S, comma, collected folk songs and legends, collected folk songs and legends, full stop. Next point, in Bengal, Rabindranath Tagore began collecting ballads. In Bengal, Rabindranath Tagore began collecting ballads, B-A-L-L-A-D-S, nursery rhymes and myth, M-Y-T-H-S, myth, full stop, same point. In Madras, Natesa Shastri, N-A-T-E-S-A, Natesa Shastri, published a massive collection of Tamil folk tales, a massive collection of Tamil folk tales, put a dash, the folklore of southern India, the folklore of southern India, full stop. Nationalist leaders became aware of such icons and symbols. This is the next point, children. Nationalist leaders became aware of such icons and symbols in unifying people. Full stop. During the Swadeshi movement in Bengal, a tricolor flag. During the Swadeshi movement in Bengal, a tricolor flag was designed with eight lotuses representing 8 provinces of British India and a crescent moon representing Hindus and Muslim. Okay, Hindus and Muslim, full stop. Next point, 1921, Gandhiji designed the Swaraj flag. Those who have come just now, please leave 1.5 page and then you may continue. 1921. From this point, what we are saying, Gandhiji designed the Swaraj flag, put a dash, tricolor with spinning wheel in the center. Tricolor with spinning wheel in the center. Children, just listen to me carefully, all of you, just now. I don't think this chapter is going, little bit part will be left of this chapter. Okay, so Monday we are no doubt we are going to start with our political parties, the next chapter of political science. Is that clear? And the remaining part at the end of the class, I'll be telling you also. Keep your copies also ready, plus your political science books also ready. You need not open the book. Okay, and I think you will get the message of how the class will be conducted, whether from my personal ID or from the school that you are going to get. If you don't get, then the class is going to be continued like this only. And if you get, then you are going to log into the school ID. Is that clear, children? Have you heard everybody? Just show your thumbs up carefully. Whatever part is left, we are going to continue after I had explained you the part of political science. Is that clear? Okay. So keep your copies ready on that day, plus your political science books also ready on that day. Political parties is again a very important chapter. Okay, whatever we are going to complete, fine. Whatever is left, we are going to complete it. No need to worry. Okay, okay, fine. Let me repeat this point. 1921, Gandhiji designed the Swaraj flag, tricolor with spinning wheel in the center. Full stop. Next point. Another way of creating nationalism was another way of creating nationalism was, put a dash, reinterpretation of history. Reinterpretation of history, full stop. The same point, the British considered Indians as backward and primitive. As backward and primitive. But Indians began discovering India's great achievement. Ayush Yadav, what are you doing? Okay. But Indians began discovering India's great achievement, comma, wrote about the glorious development. Wrote about the glorious development. Anshika, your video is not on. I'll put you in the waiting room. Ekagra, you also. Samriddhi Vijay, Purvi Bhatia, Akshat, Bhumi Gera, Anshul Jain. Do we need to tell each and everybody separately or what, children? Bhumi Gera, Rimjim. Okay. British considered Indians as backward and primitive, but Indians began discovering India's great achievement, comma, wrote about the glorious development in art and architecture, comma, art and architecture, comma, science, mathematics, religion, culture, law, comma, philosophy, craft, and trade. And trade. Put a dash, flourished. Flourished. Flourished, full stop. This glorious past, this glorious past was followed by a period of decline, followed by a period of decline when India was colonized. When India was colonized. Full stop. Next, you write 2-3 lines over there. These efforts to unify people, were not without problems. Were not without problems. Put a dash. When Hindu groups celebrated Hindu iconography, when the Hindu groups celebrated Hindu iconography and festivals, then people of other communities felt left out. Okay. Conclusion is left, children, that we are going to do in the next class on Monday. Is that clear, everyone? Those who have come late, again, I'm repeating for you all that you might be getting the message. If you do not get the message, then we are going to take the class from my personal ID only. If you get the message, then you are going to log into your school ID. First thing. Secondly, everybody will be ready with your political science books on that day, because we'll be starting with political parties. Okay, another important chapter. Secondly, your copies of history should also be kept ready, because this last part, that is conclusion, is left, which we are not able to complete right now, that we are going to complete. Once the chapter explanation of the chapter is going to be done, then I'm going to make you all complete this also. Is that clear, everybody? Thumbs up again, once again, children. Okay, fine.